Hello friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making Malpua. And Malpua, that is like our childhood recipes where I was child and I was eating that, and especially my mother was cooking very good. And we were farmers, so we have always wheat to grow to our farm, and we were making more recipes from the wheat and rice and other grains. So it's really always sweet memories about the food. So I have today to making malpua. I have 2 cup of pancake mix, and pancake mix have high in protein. That's why I choose that rather than just only the wheat flour, because there is lot of protein in that. And also cup of mawa, and then this is cup of ghee. And for syrup we have 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and just half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And also cup and half I have milk to mix mawa and pancake mix together. So let's start that. Before we start that one, I will add sugar in this pan, and our 1 cup of water. So what happen, it can getting melt, and that we can cook it on the slow heat too. So we will let it start that one. And now we are using our other ingredients. This is like 2 cup of pancake mix that we are adding with that, and this is cup of mawa. Now we will add a little bit of milk and mix it well. We have to make it like like idli, and we make like that kind of thick, not that much thick and not that much. We can mix it well, and as we need milk we will add in that. So you can see that we need more milk, that I'm continuous adding with that. And we have to mix it very well until it get like a very good melted. It should not be like stays inside dry flour and things like that. So you can see that our consistency is coming well, and we might need some more milk, so we will add some more milk too. And I have warmed that milk slightly so it can be melt our mawa very quick. So okay, so now our batter mix is ready. You can see that is very good consistency. So now at this point we will turn a little bit high on our sugar, and you can see that sugar melt very good. So now we need to let it boil on medium high, like on medium, not that much high. So at this point we will add our butter in it, our pan, like our ghee, and we will start making. Now I'm increasing little bit of heat for the pan, so our butter get melt very good. And this is our ghee which I am using for nanak. Is really great product, I like very much. It reminds us like a desi ghee, when we have our own cow and buffaloes. So it's really, really good memories with that. So now you can see that our ghee is getting melted, and also while ghee is getting melted, we can keep little bit focus on our sugar. And once it get little bit boil in it, and we will turn off sugar like a little bit, and then we will add the cardamom powder. Sometimes people likes to use saffron, kesar if you like that, but I like more cardamom. It's a really great flavor for that, so I'm using that. So now you can see that our syrup is boiling like a couple minutes. So we will let it boil about a minute or so, and also we will check our butter too. And we don't need that much warm butter, then, because the flour is very soft, so it can get very dark instead of like light brown. So we are just let it cook until it's get very thoroughly and medium heat. So now at this point we will turn off our syrup. When we need it again, we will start again. But you can see that our syrup turned very good, and when our few malpua is ready, then we will turn on our syrup back again. So let's see how is our ghee is doing. Let's put just little bit of it, and I think it's good enough to warm. At this point we will start making our malpua. You can see that our syrup mixed very well. Sorry, our batter mix all is well now. So we will do it like this. So each time we will make it couple of there. And we will let it fry just couple of minutes, and still you can see that it's little bit soft. So Doing our second batch. We need to let it cook like couple minutes so the top part can be cooked too. So our ghee is enough warm, so we don't need to heat too much because you don't need it, and we can let it cook. So now you can see that our Malpua is ready and it's really very delicious. And I'd like to give you one good tips about this Malpua. If you can find the organic sugar, that will be much better. You have to use like small amount of quantities, and also it will still turn in good sweet. So that's really good benefit for the health. And of course ghee is another one for the cholesterol, but that's just time to time. Sometimes we deserve, and sometimes we feel like that to eat something homemade good food. So I just feel this morning and I make this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you have any comment, questions, anything, something you don't like, please let us know. And thank you for watching us, and if you have any question, please let us know, and see you again with one simple recipes. And until then, have a blessed day.
Well.